Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Truth and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria, and the rest of the world. For now we'll start with Arsenal Football Club news. On my day official say Manchester United don't beat Arsenal 3-2 for Old Trafford as they meet. The match makes sense as Emile Smith Rowe opened scoring for 13 minutes after De Gea and Fred caused one kind commotion. Then for 44 minutes, Bruno Fernandes equalized for Manchester United to make am 1-1. Also, Cristiano Ronaldo come make am 2-1 after 52 minutes as e come be like say Arsenal go collect plenty goals. But the guy come talk say omo not today man, because for 54 minutes, Baba come equalize for Arsenal to make am 2-2. Then for 70 minutes, Odegaard come make one senseless tackle on Fred to give away one kind penalty. We say at first referee talk say no be penalty, but after VAR come tell am say omo make go check am well. So VAR come check and come say okay na penalty. Then Ronaldo come score to make the match 3-2. Omo na so the match take end o. My own personal opinion for the match and the match assessment wey dey take play be say say we play without fear. That is one thing I like the boys. So they enter, they play with all their mind, and we're supposed to even win the match. If not for say that penalty wey Odegaard come cause. If not, man, you don't really play anything now. Man, you dey home. Even though they get their Cristiano Ronaldo, they get their Bruno Fernandes, even Rashford did, their Sancho did, they complete. Though for the midfield, they can't lacking because they don't get all those kind of Pogba, But we still play them like say tomorrow. No, they even at 2-2. I come like say now we go win. But that penalty come make am look like say no be our day. But that penalty, even Arsenal self get their own penalty wey Matt Atkinson self no give us. We be one of the things wey people dey talk about say if they see them give us our own penalty, how the match for take turn out. Well, it don't happen. We say it don't happen. But we look forward to the next match. Then at the same time, that Emile Smith Rowe goal, it dey cause a lot of controversy online because if you check that goal, you go see say before Emile Smith Rowe wipe am, De Gea don dey for ground, somebody kick him leg, so he don dey for ground holding leg. So Emile Smith Rowe don use his sharp eye, don scam the post, say omo keeper dey down, no empty post, just wipe am, the ball don enter net. So e get referee wey dey on duty wey be Matt Clattenburg for pundit duty. So Baba come dey explain the circumstances wey make dem come allow the goal. And the thing is say no be foul, no be Arsenal player na him jam that De Gea wey be Manchester United player. Na him own player wey dem dey call Fred, na him kick am, he come fall. So I go to you wan blow am foul against Arsenal, be na Arsenal kick am, that kind of thing. And that is why they can't let the goal stand and nothing like that or more. They learn something every day, so na so that one just be. At the same time, for media setting, they call they ask Mikel Arteta say they notice say Ben Leno no dey for Benjamin, no dey for our substitution list. So wetin up now? So Baba come talk say almost say the guy gets tight groin. You get one kind of injury wey dey affect them for blockers. So that's why the guy no really join the team list. Well, that one no mean anything. Even if he join, he ain't go play. He ain't go use tight groin and recover himself. At the same time, our monitoring spirit wey they call Daily Mail don come outside. They let us know say at the end of the summer, say Arsenal they prepare £60 million, so they go take go collect Dominic Calvert-Lewin that go use that one replace Lacazette. You get. And also we dey expect that kind of two strikers because if you replace Lacazette, you go see him replace Aubameyang or three self replace Lacazette, replace Aubameyang, replace Nketiah. We never know how they want to do it, but they plan £60 million move for that guy because Everton na shit packer now. They play nonsense, they lose like mad. So some kind of senior men go dey find how they go take move because if care is not taken, they go sack that for Benitez anytime soon. And go be the next manager we go follow Ole Gunnar Solskjaer comot. So well, at the end of the summer, the guys are nice guys. Dominic, he get presence for that front. I like him. A majority of Arsenal fans all over the world don't they in agreement say Aubameyang is finished. Aubameyang is a finished goods. Aubameyang is a shit packer. Aubameyang is no longer needed. So make Aubameyang find in square root. I don't know whether we still get any Aubameyang loyalists with they here who won't come defend them, who won't come tell us say he is still good. Come outside, let us see you and tell us why you think Arsenal should not sell this guy. Why you think Arsenal is supposed to tell and say, oh yeah, Baba, you have overstayed your welcome. You get. Go and be driving your Lamborghini and your Bugatti outside. Go and do those competition, driving competition. Now make you go do. But you see playing, anything you concern playing, football, you are no longer needed. You get, make I hear the loyalists. I won't hear on a defense of this guy, because me now I don't come outside with my full chest to tell una talk say I no like Aubameyang again. It is time for him to do what? Find the square root. I no be limited for that podium with plenty wey dey talk am, because the guy dey cause us pain. Once upon a time he used to bring us joy, but now he's a pain giver. See chances, even okay, forget the talk say that chance na offside, but at least score am first, make it dey come check am for VAR whether na offside abi no be offside. If you say you score am, if you come check am talk say it's a goal, well you no score am. The same match, the last one now, na so he jam back, boah. Everybody dey complain over. Well, I know now Arteta just dey carry this guy like a baby. Arteta just dey give am that respect, say unto Capitan, you get me, they no go disgrace am anyhow, make they no come put am for Benjamin, you get as e be, he just dey carry am like baby. He prefer make dem put that Lacazette there than that Aubameyang, because this guy is nothing to write home about again. At the same time, Aubameyang come do one mad thing wey make fans come dey para after the match. Can you imagine say after Manchester United beat Arsenal, Ronaldo come go for social media come dey like celebrate their team, post say, you know, normal Ronaldo level na e go dey celebrate. Aubameyang come go like the post. Arsenal fans wey dey investigate, they come go check all the people wey like the post, come see say Aubameyang follow for people like am. Wetin you dey like the post for? You dey like am say you like as dem beat us or what? You no go know say you are an icon, you are a leader, people dey look up to you. You go dey like post wey somebody dey celebrate Manchester United win, a Manchester United goat dey celebrate their win. You wey be our own cow wey dey chop grass, come go there go dey, what are you celebrating? What are you liking it for? I don't understand. Can somebody tell me something? Why is this guy liking that post? Why just tell me, make I know. At the same time, media setting, they call dey ask Thomas Partey say, Baba, how far how they see the match? The way una take play. So Baba come talk say, well, see them played very well. They tried their best, you get, but they were just unlucky on the night. You get, say they go there with courage. They play very well. Say himself, he know say, you know they are the best of your ability. Say himself got to raise in game, and they don't get choice, and they got to improve on the next game. They still there for 5th position. They still there 1 point behind West Ham. Only say Tottenham Hotspur and Manchester United don't close the gap near them now. So the gap no reach like 3 points again. So it don't closer. So they no fit mess up again. And I like our next run of fixtures. Now winnable games. No strong team for the next run. Now only maybe Southampton, Everton, the rest, they are winnable. So we can easily win them. We can start a new run now. Go on a long run before you know now. Don't enter that top 4. That's what I'm happy for. So for media settings, they call they ask Mikel Arteta, say make him assess the game. You get how you see the game in your own eye. So back on talk say, well, say we played very well. So you get, say the people with them draft team, they come play. We played very well, but the only problem is say we can't drop our leg from the gas after we knock 1-0. So we dey very sloppy with the ball. We dey give the ball away unnecessarily. It gonna give you that momentum, that confidence, say they can do something. So we don't dey sloppy. That's why they can't get their first goal, equalize 1-1. Even Ronaldo don't take score, and after Ronaldo score, it don't reach 5 minutes now. We say we don't bust net back. Let them know say, we don't play a come play. It can't be 2-2 until we now give the ball away before they come play penalty. Say overall, the team played very well, and we have to learn from our mistakes and move forward and improve onto the next game. At the same time, I call they ask Baba talk say, wetin make I come start El Neni ahead of Sambi Lokonga? Say wetin up now? Say he might do am somehow. So Baba come talk say, well, for this kind of game, you know say na high intensity match be this, and you need experienced legs. That is why he come talk say it go make sense make him start El Neni for this match, because El Neni don't play this people last season. He understand wetin dey at stake for that midfield. For that midfield, no time to come dey give you ball, make all the waste time for you to look up think. As ball dey come, you don't know what you want to do with the ball, and El Neni dey very experienced. That's why I come say, okay, he go drop Sambi for this kind of match. Put El Neni, make El Neni partner Thomas Partey, because those two they highly experienced. But that is why he got make that change. Say no be say anything do Sambi Lokonga. And that's why I make the changes. And another thing be say, if you check that match, you go see say they're not too trouble Aaron Ramsdale again. You know guys make many saves, because we really played that match. As we come out man for man, old Manchester United with all their big stars, we played them very well. If not for that individual errors, make you check now individual errors. Now we see they affect us now. We will curb these errors. We will go far, because we can't afford to be making silly mistakes like this. It no go make sense. You get, because all these kind of mistakes, if you turn the game around against us, so well, we'll learn from our mistake. And like you know, they strike twice, so we hope say this kind of thing no go happen again. At the same time, Kevin Campbell will be one of our pundits. Don't come outside, call it talk, say, he get what they make an event now. Say, why Arteta still dey use Aubameyang? Say make Arteta drop this guy. This guy is finished. Hey, this guy no know what they do again. You get, ordinary half chances, even okay full chance e no score am, then na half chance you come expect make him score. Say as the guy dey now, na Arteta just dey carry am, e no dey play anything again. Say the best thing wey Arteta go do na drop this guy, but you no know whether Arteta get that courage, whether he dey brave enough to make that kind of statement. Say okay, you are not playing very well at this moment, so you have to rest and watch other people gain momentum again, make him recuperate, make him just chill again. Aubameyang is no longer the Aubameyang we used to know. He's no longer the king of Emirates. He's no longer the senior man who we used to know. Now he's just a one boy, just a omoshe, you get. So make them drop am, people wey dey shine, put them there, see the energy, see the vibrancy of Martinelli, see the way the guy dey run up and down dey play. Why Aubameyang no fit do like that? No the wipe shot from outside, normal Aubameyang back from flank, back cutting, go at last angle. But nah, nothing. So by the complaint, so we never know how Arteta go respond for the next match, whether he go drop this guy, because fans all over the world they clamor, they talk in the same thing, we dey in unity for one particular thing, and that particular thing be say drop Aubameyang. He's no longer able to take us to the promised land. But watch wetin Arteta go do, whether he go listen to the voice of wisdom, whether he go continue for him own one way. We say I like person wey dey start, I will give him time, let's see what he can do. Well, Arteta hand the day. So my dear football lovers, Omonaye will come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And you see that bell notification icon with it there. Toggle am so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you say we don't drop am. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you and have a nice day.